I didn't see you there. My name is Tatiana, and I'm going to give you 3 tips and tricks on how to study anywhere. And I mean anywhere. Trick number 1 is noise-canceling headphones. These are my best purchase ever, and you know why? I click this little button, and all of a sudden I can't hear anything. Someone could be screaming in my ear here, and I could still study. Trick number 2 is music. Music can be really, really helpful in these really loud crowds, such as at school, or at a cafe, or on the bus. So, select your music carefully though. I like listening to classical when I have to memorize something, and I listen to more of my usual genre of music when I'm doing math because I don't need to memorize as much theory. Finally, step 3. Step 3 is super duper easy. This trick is my favorite trick ever. Do you want to see? See? I told you, it's the easiest trick. Let me know your tricks and tips down below in the comments.